Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you fixed Target gift card not redeeming. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the Target gift card not redeeming, what you can do is check the gift card number and access code. Typing mistakes are the most common reason, so to do it, what you need to do is look at the gift card carefully and enter the gift card number and access code. Scratch off the silver strip on physical cards or find it in your email for e-gift cards. Then make sure there are no spaces or extra characters, and you can simply try and copy paste for digital cards. Next method is make sure your card is activated. If cards bought from stores must be activated at checkout, check your receipt, it should say gift card activated. If not, go back to the store and ask them to activate it, then try redeeming it again. Next step is to check your Target account by simply heading over and opening up your Target application. Then once you're inside, simply tap on your My Target option on the bottom right corner of the screen and make sure you are signed in. Once you are in your My Target, scroll down and then select a wallet and then select Add a gift card, and make sure your account is active and verified. Sometimes redemption fails if your account has issues. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.